Good morning, guys. Welcome back. All right, so we got a new project today. Well, it's kind of like yesterday, and it's not something that I normally do. It's not a Jeep or anything like that. So let's take a look and see what we got. Look at that, a Honda Element. This is a 2003 K24 all-wheel drive Honda Element. Yeah, yes, so I did get one. So she's a tad bit rough, not too bad. For 2003, I believe it has like 250,000 miles on it, with a blown head gasket, the way I like it. Let's take a look in the inside real quick. And the doors open really far. Let's see, get this other one open here. So right now, I had to clean it out a little bit yesterday. It wasn't too bad. There's some stuff down there. It's got a sunroof. The seats fold up to the side, which is awesome. It's got plenty of storage room. Double doors on both sides open up. Yeah, she's a bit dirty, but it's okay. We'll get it cleaned up. And also, I need to get the seat fixed. I don't know if I'm just going to get this part replaced or replace the whole cover, not sure yet. Other things that's wrong, gotta fix the visor. Doesn't stay up, like a screw came out right there. That's not a problem. I am going to remove that window tint and this here, because you see right there it's kind of messed up. So I'm just going to remove that and clean the inside. And I think that's it on the inside part. Just cleaning and fix those couple spots there, and also that little molding down there. So you gotta close this door first, and then this one here, and then the next part is, oh, let me pop the hood so you can see under the hood real quick. Okay, the next part we gotta fix is this. It's damaged really bad, but nothing that I can't fix. You can't see it's got a lot of door dings on it. You can barely see it. It's got one good crease along here that I have to fix as well. On the other side, it has door dings on that too. Just got to clean off this tape up here, because this window, the regulator in this window is broken, so I have to fix that too and get that going. And let's see here. And here's a dirty engine, which is about normal. I never bought a car with a clean engine. Either it's dirty or half of it's missing. So it's not a big deal on that. But I'm first time working on a K24 rather. I'm excited about that. I see that it has bolts here for the core support, so I might end up pulling the whole front end off because I have to get the radiator out. The radiator cracked, and that's what probably caused the head gasket to blow. let's see, we'll go ahead and close it back up real quick. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. Got the Cadillac back there looking good as ever. The Jeep's still here. We had a few people come by look at it, so hopefully I get that going pretty soon. And then that's pretty much it. That's all it is. I'm excited about it because it's all-wheel drive KA. I don't know why I keep saying KA. K24, the K series. Let me just put it that way. And that's it. So I picked her up yesterday. She was a lot dirtier yesterday, but I had, I can't help it. So I washed it and washed it some more and just cleaned the inside. But eventually I will power wash the undercarriage and also the engine bay. I'm a power washer before I pull the engine out because I hate all the grease and dirt. And then I'm a power wash again after the engine out, make sure it's super clean. But other than that, stay tuned. I think the first thing we're gonna do is probably pull out the engine. It probably is going to be the first thing I do. And the second thing is, once I start, I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm not sure if I want to rebuild that engine or just buy another one and slap in there. Buy a used JDM engine, because they're around 50 to 80,000 miles on them, which is like Honda's break-in period. Because I think this car would still be running if that radiator didn't crack. So I don't know if I want to do that or just rebuild this one, because I've been looking for a K24, because I want to do a K24 swap on my Mini. Not sure I'm going to do that because I think I want to sell the Mini as well. I just got too many cars, and I just wanted this one a quick turnaround. I'm not even sure if I'm going to fix the little door dings or the crease, but for sure I'm definitely going to have to fix that little fender. But most likely it's going to bother me enough where I'll just go ahead and fix it all on both sides, make it really perfect, and put new tires on it. Tires a little worn, and then she's going to be ready to go. I'm pretty sure this is going to sell a lot faster than any car I've been trying to sell, because I think this is it, because you can use this any kind of way. And with a new engine, yes, it has 250,000 miles on it, but with a new engine, oh, it's gonna fly. So stay tuned, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.